Now all this grinding work just to get the sticker off, eh? But the sport sticker is off now on this side. On this side, still on. But this sticker is part of the paint so long as it's on. But I'll get it off. Just a few more hours. Okay, almost ready to gooi some paint. Now primer. This side I had to redone this back side because there was a like a dike in there. So almost ready for paint. For primer. Yeah man. Now this bumper has to go. I've cleaned the paint off. This side as well. So just put some filler on and I can smooth it. Yeah, the filler is on. Just let it dry. Then I can sand it. Looks better, man. Okay, the primer is so on. Primer is finished, so I couldn't put it like a thick. But yeah. That's how it looked down. Now wait to dry and sand it down again. Yeah. Okay, this side look better. But yeah, I'm just gonna do the back side first, and then I'll do the doors and the bonnet and the fender and stuff. Just want to get this color on so that I can start putting it back together. Because it's taking too long now. There's this one rust hole on the door. So I have to get it out. Okay, I made this piece of steel here. Now just to weld it, and then it's fine. And this hole is closed. Goes in there like this. Yeah. So I'm just doing that, and then I'm fine. The camera wasn't on, but the plate's in and filler is on. So yeah, almost. Yeah, I'm done with this. Nice. Now there was a sticker there. Still glue there. I have to remove that sticker. Then the door is finished. Then I can start looking for the Leica. This is the second time I've put the primer on. But you see this roof is lacquer now. Just have to wash it down to get that sanding dust off. But yeah, I think I'm ready for paint now. The back side and the roof can be painted now. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. Now yeah, first, when I did the body of the steel plate here, welded it in, then you have to put the filler on, and then you have to sand the filler with 60 grit. Now like this, but 60 grit, and then when it's smooth, you put the primer. Now this is beige primer or MS primer as they call it. You spray this on, but it's rough. Then you have to sand this down with water paper. This is 400 grit. This one. Then all it is just a And just with 400 grit. Fall off the table. Feel smoother now. I can feel there's something as well. There's a problem there. I can feel it. It feels smooth now. But okay, I'm going to fix that one with spot putty. There's another one as well, this one with spot putty. Then I'm going to sand it again with 400, and when it feels smooth I'm going to take the 800 grit paper, and I'm going to finish it off, make it smooth. Then I can paint the whole door, another layer of primer, then it's 800 grit to smooth everything out. But it feels good. Except for here. Yes, now it feels smooth. Except for this dent in there. But yeah. So just finish that and that with spot putty. Primer the door, both doors, put it on. Can spray maybe that with the car, with a bakkie.